Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. I'm Lauren Rabin. On today's show, we're featuring pineapple. Joining us in the kitchen today is Dr. Christin Gillier and Chef Anthony Bonett, who will be showing us how to make healthy meals your whole family will enjoy. What are we making today?
Sort of adult-friendly, which is going to be shrimp with pineapple skewers. And for the kids, we're doing more of sort of a dessert pineapple stuffing muffin. First thing is always just cut off the top of the pineapple and just peel. So, so if you want to take over from that, be careful. What we have is some nice diced pineapple. Season it with some sea salt.
And pineapple's so great for kids. It's high in vitamin C.
It's good for bone development. There's lots of manganese in it.
Oh, really? So is it good for prenatal patients as well?
It is, yeah.
So we put salt, pepper, and we're going to put a little lime zest. I think it benefits probably just a little drop of olive oil.
Beautiful.
Okay, yeah, it looks nice. They're very like jewel-like. They have a really nice quality to them.
You could probably eat that on its own too. It's a nice
absolutely.
snack in the afternoon.
Okay. So
beautiful.
In this
Good
case,
job, by the way.
In this case, I put them in these little cryovac bags.
Okay.
And we just basically vacuum pack them in a vacuum pack machine. For the muffin batter, you're going to take your butter.
Okay.
And put it into the bowl, and we're going to melt it.
And we're doing it.
Yep.
Almost like a bath here.
Careful. Okay.
What a great technique here. Anybody can do this in their house.
This is basically what you call a double boiler technique.
It's amazing.
Okay. Put your sugar in. Once our butter's melted, we can take it off the heat.
Okay.
Now the shrimp are already cooked.
Okay. That was so easy. I'm so excited to put these together.
We could put pineapple.
Okay.
Okay.
And shrimp.
Go right
and doctor, how often should a prenatal patient be eating seafood?
So we usually say one serving a week.
Okay. Okay. So you can still enjoy it, but just cut it down a little bit.
And same with fish. You can eat fish throughout pregnancy. You just have to watch the higher order fish like the shark and the mackerels have much more mercury on.
Okay. This is so easy.
And then while you're doing this, we're going to mix in our egg. It's a pretty like loose recipe. It's not a real, even though it kind of seems like it's a little bit of a baking technique, it's not so temperamental that you got to be so exact with it. We're going to fold in, this is the pineapple puree.
And how much is that?
This was 1 full cup of pineapple puree. This is a high fiber white bread that I bought. Feel free to use whatever bread you want to use.
You could use whole wheat, gluten-free, if you have any allergies.
Exactly. And you're just going to spoon into here. We're going to bake them in the oven. Okay.
Perfect.
We have our griddle here. We're going to go and sear them on our griddle.
Seared flavor,
And we're baking them at 350 degrees. They'll take about 15 minutes. In this case, we're putting watercress leaves. We're putting cilantro.
Oh, beautiful.
We have some red jalapenos or Fresno peppers.
Okay.
I love spice in my cooking. I put a little bit of carrot in for color.
Gorgeous.
Carrots are good for eyesight.
Some salt, pepper.
Carrots are great for eyesight, you're right.
We had pineapple muffins that were already finished. You can either go with salad on the bottom, you can put the salad down top.
Oh.
Garnish, put our skewers down.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Okay.
But that was so easy.
That's quick.
I mean,
nice,
these meals were made in no time.
I have a little tiny bit of spiced pepper, a little bit of red pepper flake.
Okay. So these not only smell delicious, I bet they taste delicious too.
They do.
So
They
can we go and
let's do it. Yeah, they came out
try it
great.
out?
Yeah.
Try them. Just try not to make a mess.
Great.
That's really good.
Great. And this is
Lots of pineapple in there.
That is incredible. Okay. So let's switch this up and try our shrimp and the pineapple.
tasty, huh?
It's very light.
Yes. Yeah, it's really good.
Not too spicy. Nice little
Watch out for the peppers. They're a little hot.
It's good.
I just got a little kick of something there.
And you can change that out.
Thank
They came out great.
you so much. What a
Thank you.
fabulous idea. Thank you so much for joining
You're welcome.
us
It was
today,
a lot of fun.
Chef.
Thank you.
And Doctor,